Large 0.24-acre lot on this 2-bedroom 1-bath home with carport/off-street parking. Covered front porch and large backyard with raised beds for gardening, great for entertaining or pets, makes this a real gem with an ADA-ramp approach to home. Plenty of storage in the kitchen, breakfast nook, ample-sized bedrooms, and large laundry/multipurpose room. Large storage shed for flex space behind the carport. Zoning of CC allows for additional options of business, Airbnb, development, etc. Buyer to do due diligence regarding additional potential uses. Don't wait, schedule a tour today.